Ctrl+F or Edit Find is a really quick way of finding any word or phrase on a document, whether that's a web page or a PDF or a Word document or an Excel spreadsheet or whatever. And you can do more or less the same thing on a phone, in this case an iPhone. So if I click on this link, I'm going to open it first in the Twitter app. And then if I click the share icon at the bottom of the screen and scroll through for Find on Page, I can type in the word I want to look for, and it will highlight it, and also these little up and down arrows will let me jump through and find out how often it appears on the page. And click Done. If I then want to open this up in Safari by clicking the little compass icon at the bottom, I can do the exact same thing, click on the share icon, scroll through to find on Page, but there's actually a quicker way. If you go to the top where the link is and replace the link with the word you're interested in, it will also tell you how many times it appears on the page. If you've searched for a lot of things previously, then you'll probably have loads of bookmarks and previous searches. On this page will always appear at the bottom, so you may have to scroll up to find it, but that's how to do it.